Avishya fans and handloom saree lovers. Today I'm going to show you an exclusive collection of handloom Maheshwari sarees which have just arrived for us from our weaver in Maheshwar. For those of you who have not seen our videos before, Maheshwari sarees are made in the town of Maheshwar in Madhya Pradesh. They are normally silk cotton sarees, so they combine the comfort of cotton with the sheen of silk. Before I show you the sarees, if you like our videos, please click on the like button, follow us and ensure you click on the bell icon because then you won't miss any of our new drops. The first saree I'm going to show you, stunning sort of jamun purple saree, and it's got a slightly darker violet border, zari on both sides, and this design, if you look at it, is called a chauka design in Maheshwar, and it's got these small motifs. There are diamonds running through the body. Pallu is the same bright violet. It got bands of silver zari. Diamond patterns continue in the pallu too, between bands of zari. Now the blouse itself is the same violet. It's a very classic color combination. If you're going for a traditional occasion, then this is a perfect saree, or a temple visit too, because temples are not air conditioned. You want to wear something which is grand, but silk, obviously you can't carry it off. This saree is a wonderful choice. This is like a pista green with a greyish violet. It's wonderfully soft and will drape really well for summer. Look at the fabric, it's so soft. Got a beautiful silver zari. The border is like a deep purple and it's got silver zari, big diamond motifs across the border, both the bottom and the top. Pallu is again the same, sort of lavenderish violet which is there in the border comes in the pallu too. There's a broad band. In fact, there are 3 broad bands with silver zari and then multiple smaller stripes with silver zari. The blouse is again the same violet. It's a beauty because it's a pastel and pastel combination. Normally, pastel sarees have a bright pallu or a bright blouse. This saree is a stunning, it's a very demure, delicate combination. The next saree I'm going to show, this is a sensational saree. Look at the color combination. It's a dark chocolate brown, and with bold copper stripes across the body. The border is also copper. The border has got small diamond motifs in copper zari. The pallu is actually the reverse of the saree, which means the copper stripes are bold and the brown is thinner. It's such a long pallu and the edge of course is copper. The blouse is a very demure, subtle blouse. So for all the brightness and boldness of the saree, the blouse is a sensational, subtle contrast. The next saree we are going to show is a pretty purple saree. Actually, it's lavender, but I just said pretty purple because it sounds nice. Got a very thin zari border both on the top and bottom, and then beautiful booties across the body and the pallu. These booties are all shaped like teardrops. I'm just showing the back, they're almost like jamdani. If you look at it, there's a pick and turn on the booties themselves. The same motif continues in the pallu. The pallu has just got 2 bands of silver zari and the teardrop formation are closer. This saree of course comes with a matching blouse, same lavender color blouse. And if you want some variation, if you want to give a contrast blouse, actually you can get the silver. This is a fairly common silver. A silver blouse will make the saree look sensational and look like a party wear saree. If you like these sarees and want to see the entire collection, if you're living in Chennai, please visit the Avishya store. The Avishya store is in Alvarpet, number 281 TTK Road. We are open on all 7 days of the week, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. If you're not living in Chennai and you're living anywhere else in India or around the world, you can buy these sarees from our website avishya.com. Just go there and search for Maheshwari sarees and you can find the entire collection on the website. Our customer service team will be happy to help you choose whatever sarees you need. For those of you who don't want to go to the website, just take a screenshot of the saree and send it to us on WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is 73057 77291. I'll repeat, it's 73057 77291. Take a screenshot of the saree and send it on WhatsApp, and our customer service team will be happy to help you. The next saree I'm going to show you is this is again pink and just silver zari. It's got horizontal stripes silver zari across the saree, and the stripes have these small like chameli flowers. And then the border is full of silver zari stripes. If you notice, these stripes are not uniform in length. Some of them are narrower. The chameli flowers are continuing the pallu also. And then there is one band of zari like the border. Then there's very close stripes again, zari band. And in the end, one more zari band. The blouse for this saree is also a running blouse, but it hasn't got these flowers to give the difference. But here again, if you want to wear a contrast blouse, you can either wear a dark pink like this, in which case it look very demure. The next saree in the collection, it's a grey saree with silver zari stripes across. The weave has got a smooth effect at one level and then alternate brushed effect. The pallu has also got zari stripes and then bands of silver zari. The blouse is very similar. It's also got silver zari stripes, but the stripes are a little more spaced. This saree is super lightweight. Here I'm moving this. It's totally lightweight. The last saree I'm showing you in this collection is an aqua green saree with almost a dusky rose or violet border. Look at how intricate the weave is. It's got multiple geometric patterns. It's got a chevron, it's got triangles, and it's got stripes. The body itself has got these lovely yellow triangle motifs, which serve as a nice contrast to this beautiful blue. And there's a thin line of gold zari on either side of the border. Now the pallu is now a bold pink with silver zari stripes. It's a bold contrast for a very delicate, very subtle sari. The blouse is the same pink as the pallu. So look at how this sari will look. You'll be like the star of the party or the get together if you're wearing this sari. I've shown you some of the Maheshwari sarees which have come in just now, come in from our viewer. I hope you like these sarees. If you like the sarees and you want to buy them and you're in Chennai, visit our store in Alvapet. Or if you're living anywhere else, you can visit our website avusha.com to check out Maheshwari sarees to see the entire collection. If you like this video, please click on the like button, follow us, and hit the bell button. The bell button will ensure you don't miss any notifications whenever we have a new drop. Thank you for watching the video and hope to see you again soon.